In this video I'm going to set up the CL 7200 scale by CAS for the first time. And now we want to put the pole in the back of the scale right here. Just to be clear, the display needs to be showing away right from the scale. So there's a display right there and a display right here. And so the display is going to be pointing away from the one scale, from one display. Basically, you want to have displays on both ends. If we flip the scale around, you can see what I mean. And now the scale here needs to be secured, and there are these screws that come with it that will help you secure it. And so I have the scale on the side here. Basically, the 4 screws go at the bottom right here, 1, 2, 3, 4 of the pole. Okay, as you can see, I am almost done. Okay, and that basically is it. So now we have attached the pole, and it's facing the other side so that customers can see, and this side will be for us to operate with. And so now what we can do is put the top, okay, and we can screw these to stabilize the scale. Just rotate these bottom legs, and now the scale is stabilized. The only thing that's left is plugging it in with the cable, which also was included in the package. The plug of the scale is right there. Alright, so I've plugged it in. Now I'm just gonna throw the switch on. Okay, and there it is.